Hey guys, welcome to Mitch's Music. And this today is a controversial video. I've been searching YouTube for this song and I've seen a lot of versions of How to Play Cardigan by Taylor Swift, but I'm going to tell you the right way to play it and I'll tell you why. So if you see, we have a capo on the first fret, and I have not seen any of the other videos that are talking about this way to play it, and I'll show you why we should play it this way in this video. Not only is it easier, but you can also add some things to it a little bit later once you get more advanced, and I'll show you exactly how to do that. Click subscribe below, guys, and check out my description for some guitar courses that I have coming up. You'll be able to get all of the tablature for this song, how to play it, all of the details and things like that for free, but you got to sign up below. So check that out. Today we are going over the chords for this song and the chords that we play with the capo on the first fret. So let's go over those. Pretty easy, just 3 chords. The first one is an E minor. And if you're new to an E minor, by the way, if you need a capo, grab that in the description below as well. I have some links there. They are affiliate links, so the money will go to me at no cost to you, so I'll get a percentage of that. And let's get started. So first fret, capo, make sure you got it there. E minor, we're going to start with an E minor. If you don't know how to play that one, it's just second finger on the second fret, third finger on the third fret of the D string, so second on the second fret of A, third on the second fret of the D, and you play all the strings. One of the tricks to getting better at chords is making sure you play the correct strings. If you're just playing all 6 strings the whole time, it's going to sound like a mess. So make sure you're playing the correct strings. So for E, you can play all 6 strings. All right, so there's E minor. Next one is A. So A, we're just going to move what we just had down to the D and G string, and we're going to add our pinky. All right, and that's it. So just E minor and A for the verse. And it's just da-da-da-da. So, strumming. The other thing, the other reason this video is a little controversial is I am not going to tell you exactly how to strum this one. And here's why. When you start to think about what you're doing with your strumming, it's going to hold you back. So what I want you to think about is rhythms. So think about the rhythm you hear and what you want to play. So the rhythm I just played was da, 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 and just work till you get your hands to do that. So for me, I couldn't tell you exactly what I'm doing because it's kind of a different combination. So if I just told you down, 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 up, down, it might work for me, but it might not work for you. So I want you to just think of that rhythm, work it out slowly. So da 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 da. So that's the verse. You can do that. So I lift my pinky. That'll give you an A kind of 2. It's just like, so sometimes I'll lift my pinky like, also kind of helps you going to that other chord too. So you already have your pinky lifted up. All right, so let's go over the chorus. So it's going to go D, A, E minor, then A, then E minor, A, and those are the chords, guys. That's pretty much it. So what I would suggest is play along with the video that's going to come after this. It'll show you the chords. You can follow through with it. I'll also have a video that shows you this lick. But right now, I'm going to show you why I'm always going to play it this way. So once you get more advanced, and you want to play a picking version of this song, you can actually, with this capo, playing it this way instead of another way. The other way to do it would be to put your capo on your 3rd fret or just play it in F minor without a capo. So what I'm going to show you how to do is how to play this part. You're going to go, and if you want to learn that part and you've learned it another way, you're just going to have to relearn the chords. So if that's where you want to go, learn it this way. I promise you it'll pay off in the end. And plus, these chords are much easier. So work on your chords. Let's go over those again. E minor, A, and then the chorus is D, then A, E minor, then A. All right, and just keep working on that strumming pattern. It's gonna take a while for you to get it, but just one thing that you can do to start out is just do a straight down up. Down up, 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 down up. And then go through and take some of those out. So but I want you to play it the way that's comfortable to you, because I can't tell you what's going to be comfortable for you to sing along with. I can't tell you exactly what's going to fit your voice or your style. So I want you to work on that by yourself. Get that rhythm in your head, work on the strumming, and stay tuned for the play along with the tab below. It'll have the chords, it'll have the tab, and I'll have a lesson video later that will show you how to do this, that riff, as well as the one that plays it along with the chords. So if you're interested in that one, then that'll be coming soon. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Click that subscribe button and check out my description if you'd like to take some lessons from me. See you next time.